Hey guys, in this quick tutorial, I want to show you that how to fix the answer could not be generated error in the ChatGPT. So I will show you the 4 methods to solve this error. I hope one of them will work for you. So moving to our first method, you just need to use a different browser including the Brave browser, which is the most perfect to use instead of the Chrome browser. Once you download this browser, you have to just log into your ChatGPT by using this browser and your problem will be fixed. You can also use the other browsers including the Mozilla Firefox browser. Just click on the download Firefox to get it. You can also use the Safari browser and the Microsoft Edge browser as well. Choose one of these browsers and then try to log into your ChatGPT by using these browsers and your problem will be fixed. Now moving to our second method, you have to just click on the three dots at the top right corner and then click on the settings. Here in the left menu, click on the About Chrome and check that if any update is available, it will automatically update your browser. Then click on the privacy and the security and then click on the clear browsing data. And in the time range, select for all time and select these options here and then click on the clear data. So after completing this process, then again try to log into your ChatGPT and your problem will be fixed 100%. Now moving to our next method, you have to just open your Chrome web store. And in your Chrome web store, you have to just search for the free VPN. And here you will find a lot of the VPNs that are free for you. You have to just download the one. So after getting a free VPN, you have to just try to again log into your ChatGPT and your problem will be fixed. In some cases, it is enough to restart your PC or system. After doing so, your problem will be fixed. So you must try this method as well. So now we have come to the end of the video. I hope you all enjoyed this video. For more information, you can visit my website whose link I have shared in this video's description. So leave a like and a comment for this video and also subscribe my channel. Let me guide. Thanks for watching.